because the valuable, precious information, evidence and everything is refused by the cop. And it is a felony under 918-13 of the Florida statutes for anybody to hurt the testimony ability of anything that is going to go to court.
Sir, if I could, that's a lot of great information, and I completely understand your interest to get this right. But I think my first step to help you is to go look at the current statute myself. In fact, I have somebody here who specializes in bicycle and pedestrian issues. I'm going to have him look into this, and we'll get on it this afternoon. And would you like me to contact you back? Do you want to contact me back? How would you like me to handle it?
Well, see, here's the thing. I'm a bicycle advocate in Panama City, Florida. And cops hate me. I kid you not. They hate me worse than murderers because I embarrass them and I put them in their place.
Okay.
And not only that, I put on YouTube where the officers have used Gestapo tactics that can also, when they deny it under 837 of the Florida statute, that's perjury, they can go to jail. And not only that, I found something, it's called a PDF oath of arrest and prosecution I was told about. It's only one page that is designed to correct or put in prison cops who decide to play as gangsters. All you got to do, Michael Lewis, is look under Google. You can do it right now. PDF oath of arrest and prosecution. And there is somebody who's known as Jimbikeman. It says in your face, and when you download it, it's only one page, and it is designed to protect the accused, where nowadays the accused, they have no rights whatsoever. Don't you think that officer, was it unreasonable for that officer to not allow the bicyclists to be able to write down their side while events were clearest, any possible supporting witnesses, any possible supporting, physical evidence, any possible photographs that the officer should have taken to prove the bicyclist's side? Hello?
Yes, I'm still here. But, just understand that we are an engineering agency.
Now, what's the fucking reason why that motherfucker, what's the reason why he can't fucking answer a simple fucking question? What's the fucking reason for that? It's like they're all fucking told, oh, don't answer anything, man. Oh, gee whiz, it might be used against you.
So we design and provide support for the operation.
I want to know why the fuck you didn't answer my simple questions. That's what I want to fucking know.
The operation of this roadway, and so within bicycle use of this roadway, I'm not 100% on top of all of the rules and requirements, so I would have to do my own little research here.
Now wait a minute. Let me get this fucking straight. He said, "Oh well, we have a bicycle advocate in this fucking what is it? What is it? A fucking chicken coop or something like that? A fucking shit house or something like that? I can't believe some motherfucking shit. Oh well, we've got a bicycle advocate in our building. Gee whiz." But he won't answer no fucking simple questions?
So if you would like me
well, see what I'm trying to do, Michael.
I need to go do what I need to do.
Well, I'm trying to give you, don't you appreciate...
He needs to do what he needs to do. You know what he's trying to do? He's trying to get out of fucking answering fucking simple questions. Because he know that fucking shit. Or maybe he's revealing how fucking stupid he is in the first place. And maybe he's not qualified to be in that fucking position in the first place.
Okay, when citizens go out of their way, 316-2065 of the Florida statute specifically...
Appreciate very much when citizens are involved.
Yeah.
Now why the fuck did he interrupt me? See, this is a common dirty cop fucking technique all the time. They interrupt you all the time, just likewise in fucking court. The prosecutor, the whore prosecutor. that if it wasn't for Title IX, that fucking bitch wouldn't be there in the fucking first place. They're experts at fucking confusing people. God only knows the number of people that out of frustration that fucking hung up, and that they felt like that they couldn't even get nowhere.
In how we design and operate a roadway.
And another thing is, Michael Lewis, a lot of times traffic lights will not recognize a bicyclist. So what I do is I will stop at a light. But if it don't change, I'm not going to wait there forever. I'm not going to wait till I grow a beard. You understand what I'm saying? So
bicycles in the roadway, though, are supposed to operate as if they are a vehicle.
But you see, they don't.
They are subject to stop. They are subject to the traffic signals. So all of the traffic controls that control vehicles.
First of all, this stupid fucker here, he's been there 5.5 years. Florida Department of Transportation. What the fuck's he been doing? Not only that, he claims that there's a bicycle advocate there. Is that Department of Transportation? What the fuck do they do? Why didn't they put fucking signs up all over the state of Florida at major traffic intersections, letting motorists know that bicyclists have a fucking right? They got these bullshit signs say bicycle sharing lane, but they don't have anything saying bicyclists have a right to be able to ride anywhere in the fucking road.
So it should be respected by bicyclists.
But here's the point, Michael Burns. Here's the thing. Number one, is it not a fact that when a bicycle stops, there's a weaving motion that before they can get their speed up, which makes it more dangerous. Not only that, a bicycle doesn't have a 6-foot nose sticking out, so a bicycle can slowly go through a traffic lane instead of having to stop completely, because what if it's on a hill and the bicyclist tries to get their momentum back up and causes them to fall over and wreck? See, the laws right now are not catered towards bicyclists, just like right now it says that a bicycle only has to stop 25 feet going 10 miles an hour. That's crazy. For a car or motorcycle, are the brakes so bad that they say, well, the brakes only have to stop going 10 miles an hour, 25 feet? Is that the same thing for a vehicle too? You see what I'm saying?
You kind of lost me on that one.
Well, here's the point.
How the fuck could I lose him on a simple motherfucking question? How the fuck could I lose him? How the fuck?
The stopping distance required in the state of Florida for a bicycle is a crazy going 10 miles an hour. They only have to stop within 25 feet.
I think what they're trying to illustrate there is that each vehicle is rated to have a stopping distance, and I think that 25 feet is maybe not accurate with all bikes, but and it would
maybe not motherfucking accurate. Can you imagine how many wrecks there'd be if a car was going 10 miles an hour and they would go 25 more feet after going 10 miles an hour? This is fucking bullshit.
About whether or not the driver or the rider of the bike is sort of coasting into a stop or hitting the brakes hard, stopping. So you're right, that 25 feet seems a little bit much. But I think, safe operation by the bicyclist, if you're coming up to a red light and there's a stop bar, safe practice would be to stop at the stop bar the way a vehicle in the lane does. And if there's two bikes, then the second bike stops behind the first bike. So I think a lot of these are set up really within documents like the Green Book. They're really set up to give us a starting point on how to design things and how it's going to operate. So I agree with you on that point. That doesn't seem to make sense. But
yeah, but see, here's the thing.
I do think that what we stress is that there's responsibility both by the bicyclist and by the vehicles to operate together on a roadway safely.
But see, here's the thing. It's a non-criminal.
I'm sorry, sir.
Wait a minute.
Now, why the fuck is he interrupting me? I'm trying to explain something. It's like these fuckers are goddamn cops, man. They fucking interrupt you. See, the idea is, God knows how many people have said to him, fuck you. God knows how many people hung up. See, these sorry fucks shouldn't even be in this goddamn fucking position. That's a lie, public servant. Aren't they taught to fucking listen to somebody instead of interrupting somebody? Didn't their mama teach them any fucking better?
Don't hang up on me. This is a very important. Why are you? No disrespect to you, but why are you over talking me? I'm trying to explain something to you, and you understand what I'm saying? And I appreciate.
I'm not trying to overtalk you, but I think you've given me a lot of.
I've got a lot more to give you too.
I don't have.
There needs to be a hate crime, Michael Lewis. Anytime a motorist,
Sir,
I have talked to bicyclists that motorists are rude to them.
You're now talking over me, and you're being very disrespectful about letting me speak. I've been very respectful. I've let you talk. I'm listening. But I think I just tried to tell you that for me to help you, I am going to have to go and see what the rules are for bicycles operating on a roadway myself. That is my due diligence to do my job correctly.
Yeah, I understand, Michael, but
I respected you. I'm not disrespecting you by trying to say what I'm saying, but you're throwing so much information at me. There's no way.
Oh, so much fucking information. What? Oh man, I guess I confused the fucking shit out of them now, right?
For me to even react to it.
No, you mean you couldn't write it down?
I'm not a lawyer.
You don't have to be a lawyer. That's a lie right there. You don't have to be a lawyer there. You know, that's a lie right there. Common sense. That's a lie right there. You don't need to be no lawyer.
Sir, you're being belligerent.
No, I'm being truthful. Put a lawyer out on the road looking like a trash picker.
You've called up and asked me to help you.
Yes, right. And so
no way. First of all, I don't even know your name.
Okay, first of all, I'm concerned citizen. I'm concerned.
You're a concerned citizen.
Right.
Why the fuck does he need to know my name? Everybody calls up, you gotta know their name before he does anything? See, these are tactics that are designed to fucking frustrate and confuse people.
Right, and you're very passionate for what you're trying to do.
Yes, I am. When I see that you could very easily send out to every law enforcement agency something that would be of priority, educating every sheriff, every police officer immediately, a fax or an email that shall be posted that bicyclists have a right to use any part of the road that they feel necessary for their safety. And this bicyclist was not going in the middle of the road and demanded that this Bay County Sheriff Officer Potter show him the video, which was refused, which was also refused by Panama City Police Officer Boyer. And then Officer Boyer turned around and says, if you're riding in the road, we're going to have a problem. You have to deal with me. Isn't that terrorism right there? Future terrorism.
I'm not a part of that. I wasn't there. I didn't.
No, I know you weren't there, but at the same time, the words that are being conveyed to you, are they to be considered or be not considered?
I've just told you a moment ago. I've heard everything you've said. I'm considering it. I would like to go back and do my due diligence, do a little bit of research.
Yeah.
So that I can then advise you as to what our role is in this process.
Well, let me ask you something. I gave you all kinds of statutes. Did you write them down? So I'm trying to help you out. So in other words, save you some bookwork. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I did write down the first statute, 316.083, and that's where I'm going to start.
Okay, and then another one you can write down.
Now, my due diligence.
Yeah.
I'm going to start.
Another one that you can write down is